Welcome to the first annual review of the results of the Department of Posts. प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में हमारी यही कोशिश है कि हमारा विभाग, जिसका नारा डाक सेवा जन सेवा है, जनता की हर आशा और अभिलाषा पर खड़े उतरे और भारत की सेवा के लिए केवल तत्पर न हो, लेकिन दक्षता के साथ हम अपनी कार्य को पूर्णतः तक ले जाने की कोशिश करें। Over the last 1 year, our team has worked very assiduously at putting in place metrics. Each one of our CEOs, like I'd like to call them, not our CPMGs, Chief Postmaster Generals, have worked extremely hard with the team underneath them right up till my Dakia at the grassroots level, along with the 6 vertical heads, to be able to produce growth and results for our department. Today, with a great amount of pride, under Prime Minister Modi's leadership, we are able to declare probably the highest growth in revenue in the history of our department. 23-24, closing March 24, we closed at 12,920 crores in terms of revenue. FY 24-25, we closed at 13,218 crores in terms of revenue, implying a growth rate of about 2.3%. FY 25-26, 31st of March 26, which is less than a month ago, we closed at 15,296 crores in terms of revenue. Let me readdress that. FY 23 crores in terms of revenue. FY ending March 25, we closed at 13,218 crores in terms of revenue, which is a growth rate of 2.3%. FY 25-26, which means 31st of March 26, less than a month ago, we closed at 15,296 crores in terms of revenue, which is a growth rate of 16%. It's the first time probably hit upwards of 15% in growth rate, probably in a long time in this department. We also measure ourselves on our capability across targets that we've set for ourselves within our department. And I'm glad to report that we had set a very stiff target for this year, knowingly, which was close to 17,000 crores. We've achieved almost about 87% of that target at 15,296 crores. And out of which 8 circles out of 23 have achieved greater than 90% of their target. 14 circles have achieved between 80 to 90% of their target. Only 1 circle is less than 80% of their target, which talks about a major transformation in the way we operate as a service-driven organization. Within the period of the last 15 to 18 months, we've been able to transform ourselves to being able to operate based on targets. So I'd like to congratulate our whole team right down to the grassroots level. हर एक परिवार के एक सदस्य ने इस महत्वपूर्ण कीर्तिमान को स्थापित करने के लिए अपना योगदान दिया है और तहे दिल से मैं सभी को धन्यवाद अर्पित करना चाहता हूँ. If we look at each one of the verticals, parcels this year has grown from 669 crores last year, that is 24-25, to 1133 crores this year. That's a 69% increase in one fiscal. The three states that have performed extremely well on the parcel vertical, Jharkhand has achieved 169% growth, Telangana 148%, and Gujarat 130% growth. On mails, which is the second vertical, from 2,396 crore revenue in FY 24-25, we've now grown to 3,202 crores, which is a growth of 34%. Rajasthan is number one with 146% achievement, Assam number two with 125% achievement, and Jammu and Kashmir number three with 121% achievement. IRMGB as a vertical international mail has gone through a major problem because of the whole environment being disrupted. So I will not dwell on that vertical for this year. Citizen-centric services has grown from 508 crores of revenue last year to 864 crores of revenue this year, a growth of 70% in a single year. And among the three circles that have done the best, Delhi has posted a gigantic 430% increase, Karnataka 122%, and Rajasthan 119%. Post Office Savings Bank has posted 6,888 crores in FY 24-25, 7,756 crores this year, a growth rate of 13%. And the three circles that have done a tremendous job, Bihar 106%, Karnataka 102%, and two circles come in at number 3 position, Maharashtra, Assam, with 101%. The sixth and final vertical, which is the postal life insurance and rural postal life insurance, has grown from 1,171 crores to 1,458 crores, a growth of 25% in one fiscal. And the three states that have done extremely well is Andhra Pradesh at 120%, Delhi 112%, and Rajasthan at 106%. So it has been a very, very historic year for the Department of Post, and I'd like to once again congratulate and thank every single member of our family who has worked tirelessly to make this possible. As you're aware, we've also come out with 3 new products. We are looking at now increasing the penetration of many of our services, acquiring new customers, performing against very, very strict Six Sigma service level agreements with all our clients to post an even greater growth rate over the next fiscal year. This meeting has deliberated on the growth rates for next year as well, and we shall within our department come out with those fixed numbers over the next week or so. We have also, as you're aware, put in place a Chief Technology Officer for the first time in the Department of Post, along with 6 Vice Technology Officers with each vertical. We've also got a Chief Marketing Officer in place now, along with 6 Vice Marketing Officers for each vertical. So the Department of Post and India Post is becoming, under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, future position, value-centric and service-driven. And it is with that notion that we carry forward our Nara, as I mentioned, of Dak Seva, Jana Seva, and we hope to make sure that we fulfill the aspirations of every single citizen of our country. Thank you very much.
General Rajasthan Circle, under whose leadership Circle has sold overall maximum growth by Colonel Arvind Verma, Chief Postmaster General Assam Circle, under whose mentorship guided General Delhi Circle, Colonel Akhilesh Pandey, to please come and receive the award. Would request you, sir, to please come again for the award. Bihar Circle, to please come and receive the award from Honorable Minister. Devi, I would request Madam to please come and receive the award. Member O and Madam Manisha receive the honor.
Let's have a round of